Hello watcher and subscribers. Here in this video we will see how we can take printout in Excel. Because what happen if you are taking printout in MS Word, then it is quite easy. We type a material in page and take a printout. But in Excel we have to do adjustment in a sheet. Okay. Because suppose these are the content in my page, and when you are going to take printout, first of all you have to think about the page size. So in Excel we generally go for the legal page. So here in the page layout I am selecting legal, and according to that I have done typing work. If it is A4, then you select A4 page, and according to that you have to do setting. So here I am doing this typing work because I am here supposed to take printout in the legal page. So first thing is important is you have to set the page, and here as this is a horizontal layout, so here we will select a landscape. Got it? This is the initial thing. The next thing is that the next important part here, in among all tab, this page layout tab will be important, that you have to keep in mind. Then we have to go in the margin. In that margin there is a custom margin option, and here when you adjust the page you have to set margin left, top, right, bottom. Okay, and you can also set margin for the header and footer also, but important is that left, bottom, right and top. Here if your page doesn't fit, you have to give small margin. If the contents are limited, you can give a large margin, means you can set more value, pixel value in left, right, top and bottom. Same you can set for the header and footer. Got it? Now here this is your margin related things. Next is a page. In page you can use a page size. Generally we go for the 100%. You can, if you want to reduce, go for 95, 90, that you have to do adjustment. And here in this tutorial I am not going to tell detail about how to set the custom header and footer. So you can set by clicking on this tab. Okay, in next video I will make a detailed video for this. You can make custom header and footer for the same. Now here I close this, and suppose if I click on file and print option, you see my printout is coming properly in the first page, then in second page also it is coming, third page also. So what happen when some portion is not coming in your printout, then you have to reduce the size of column. Got it? How you can reduce? You can manually reduce it like this, you can reduce, or the second option is that you can select a particular set of area. Suppose I am selecting this column. Okay, and then you have to go in the format tab. There is a field related to auto fit row height and auto fit column height, or you can set manually row height and manually you can set the column width. So these options are important here if your page doesn't fit. Got it? Next thing is that in the view category there is a page break preview. This preview is very important. Suppose here you see I already set it page number 1, 2, 3. It will show the page number, and suppose you want in that page number you want to show up to here. Okay, then you drag upside. If you want to show up to here this page, then drag downside. and from here also you can do certain adjustment. Suppose I am moving it here because I want to show up to here page 1. Now just we will check file and print. So it is like that. Now what I will do, in the page layout I will go for the custom margin and page. Here it is 82%, I will do it 100%. Then I will go for file print. You see now it is coming properly. Every page is coming within that area. So this view is also important. Sometime when you want to, in the page wise you want to show particular number of row and column, you have to adjust this red vertical line or horizontal line. Got it? According to that you have to set your pages. So this thing is important in the view. So in that view page break preview is very important. And next, as I told you previously, in this page layout all the options are important. Orientation, margin setting, page size. This is what the page size, and here there is an option of print area. Okay, that I am not selecting now. Print title is important here. So in that print title, row to repeat at the top. Generally we repeat the row. So here when you click, actually in my page I have selected these row. Okay, so whichever row you want to repeat, you just select that row. Suppose if I click here, then this address will come here. Got it? If I click here, this address will come there, and in every page this will be your topmost side. Got it? Now I will not save this. So in this way you can do the easy way setting in the Excel. So whenever you go for the setting, that page layout options are important, as well as you can do setting with the help of page break preview. That is also important. So I hope, dear student, you understood here how you can easily take a printout in Excel. And whenever we generally take a printout, we frequently use this option like page layout and page break preview option. So thanks for watching this tutorial which is related with the taking printout in Excel. So thank you. If you have any doubt, you can post it in comment and I will try to sort out. Thank you.